Now let's learn to insert a few commonly used symbols such as register, copyright, and trademark. This normally happens when you mention a registered company or brand name in your document. So let's say I want to type the register icon after Microsoft, then we can only do this by inserting the opening bracket, A, then closing bracket, or a quicker shortcut for it is just to press Alternate, Control, A, and you already have a register icon. Similarly, if you want to replace the register icon with a copyright icon, just use this shortcut Alternate, Control, and C. And what about the keyboard shortcut to insert the trademark icon? Well, it is Alternate, Control, T. And if you are in Europe or work with European customers, then the keyboard shortcut to insert euro currency will be Alternate, Control, E. It's pretty straightforward, right? Just remember, the keyboard shortcut for commonly used symbols is Alternate, Control, and the first letter of that symbol. Now, if there is a particular brand that you use a lot, then you can automate it in Word. So let's say that I want to automate the typing of Microsoft with a registered trademark at the end. Then I would need to first select the word, then go to File, Options, Proofing, and select the autocorrect option. In the replace box, I will type the hint for word to autocorrect, which in this case could be MS. Then in the second box, I will put Microsoft, so Word knows the outcome that I want. Click OK, and now let's try it. Now instead of typing the full text Microsoft with a registered mark at the end, I will just need to type MS and then press spacebar or hit enter, and it's done. So try it out, save a lot of time, and impress your boss and colleagues at the same time. Happy learning!